So we start off today's video with someone who has long waist length hair. Stylist places the hair into ponytails and begins to cut. Now it does look like she has some grown out color here. Looks like she did get her hair dyed darker. Beautiful shoulder length bob style. Very nice transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short transformations. Here we see a gorgeous pixie hair change. Nice bangs added in the front to frame out this pixie style. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. So she said she wants a bob. Hair is placed into ponytails. Wow, that is a lot of hair gone. And then the stylist does clean the hair into a bob. She gets some color added. Wow, beautiful bob makeover. I love the warm blonde color. Absolutely stunning hair change. And then we see someone with mid back length hair. Oh, very nice shoulder length bob haircuts. Wow, she has got some long waist length hair. Oh, that is a lot of hair. Wow. So hopefully she's donating all of this hair. Bye-bye long hair, hello short. Very nice. And then we see someone with a pixie style. Looks like they're in for a cut refresh. Now, I really like her hair color. She's like a really nice copper ginger tone. Oh, wow. This looks absolutely breathtaking. Very nicely done. And then we see someone with a shoulder length bob. And she gets some color and cuts the hair shorter into more of this tousled bob style. Really liking the color on this. The face framing highlights, beautifully done. So pretty. The stylist did an amazing job with this transformation. So here we have someone with very, very long hair. I'd say probably about like tailbone length. Wow, look at that hair. So the stylist just kind of trims the ends with this. Trims up those baby bangs in the front. Very pretty. I absolutely love her hair. I wonder how long it took for her to grow her hair that long. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.